Welcome to the Resources Roadshow. Here today I'm talking with Peter Spiers, Managing Director of Orbis Gold. Peter, why are you here today and why should investors be looking at Orbis Gold as a company to invest in?
Thanks, Kerry. It's a pleasure to be here. Look, I think at any time of the sort of commodity cycle, gold's an asset that you have to have. And if you have to pick the best gold assets to be in, it's high grade. And Orbis, certainly we've got an average resource grade of around 3.4 grams per tonne in our flagship Natugu project, so it's a fabulously high grade project. We've done a lot of hard work on that project over the last 4 years. Within the next 12 months we'll be making a decision on the development of that project. It'll be producing a huge amount of gold in the first 2 years, 400,000 ounces in the first year, 700,000 ounces in the first sort of 2 years. And at any gold price, 3.4 gram resource, 400,000 ounces in 1 year adds up to a huge amount of cash. So it's going to be a significant cash generator. It has fabulous returns, a very short payback. It's a wonderful project and it's a great company maker for us.
I am actually going to ask you one further question, and that is, we know that there's been a little bit of trouble in Burkina Faso, which is where your project is at the moment, and I know some investors might be worried about that. If you could just give us your view on what's been happening.
Sure. Look, I think the great thing about the Burkinabe people is they like to talk. So if you have an issue that you want to resolve, they'll sit down and talk. They're a relatively uniform group of people. They have no history of inter-tribal violence. If you combine that with the fact that they like to talk, they will find their way through any political unrest. Okay. And as a testament to that, they've gone from what's been reported as a coup as little as 10 days ago. They've put in place a new president, and they're in the process over the next several days, we expect, to appoint an interim government. So they've gone from crisis to solution by talking in a matter of 2 weeks, which on a world scale is pretty unreal.
So no concerns with you for political upheaval with your project?
No impact, and we're expecting the country to get back on track very, very smartly.
Thanks for talking to us today, Peter.
Pleasure.